This is your Intro to Chemistry lab notebook. You have a lab notebook for each chapter that we do. You have vocabulary on page 2. Generally, vocabulary is always going to be on page 2. Your data tracker is on the 3rd page. Sometimes, depending on the length of the chapter, the data tracker may be on the 1st or 2nd page. Your data tracker is something that's very important. This helps you to track your progress monitoring and your student mastery. So this helps you to see that you are mastering the content. So I have listed on here your different topics. So these are all the topics you'll be learning about in the Intro to Chem lab notebook. And then we have a unit review. You will find these quizzes codes listed on the board at the front of the room. So when you get ready to take your quizzes, what you will do is you will look on the board and find the quizzes code that corresponds with Chem 1. And you will type in that quizzes code into the quizzes system and you'll answer the questions. These quizzes are very short. When you finish answering your quizzes, you need to look at your score, and we're looking for accuracy, not speed. So make sure you look at your accuracy percentage. You're going to write down that number at score. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to look at the things that you missed. So that's what you're going to be writing down for areas I need to review. So for each question that you miss, you will need to write down not necessarily the whole question, but the key terms in the question so you know what you need to review in order to help you master content and to be successful. If you make 100, then you'll have 100 right here, and you don't have to retake the quizzes. If you don't make 100, then you'll need to retake one time at least. So after you write down the things that you missed, you can review through those, and you can take the assessment one more time. So your goal is to get 85%. 85% indicates that you have mastered the content. So our goal is always 85% content mastery.